I am Polston-Wiens, and I'm going to discuss my reflection over my student engagement lesson plan. I did this lesson in the advanced math group, which for kindergarten, it's a group of 6 students that I'm working with on first grade math. I like the small group with them, and I feel like I get more time one-on-one with each of them, especially if they need help. But a lot of them are at perfect level. You know, sometimes their numbers are backwards, but other than that, it's been going really good. Right now we're working on counting on, so we use number lines, and the students have actually picked up that they're doing really good, that they, on certain problems, such as 4 plus 1 or 5 plus 1 or 5 plus 2, they don't actually need their number line. But when we get into 10 count on 3 places, which would be, 13, then we have to use our number line. It's been going really great. This lesson I decided to use dominoes, and they got to make their own addition sentences, which was what we've been working on the worksheets. They give us the numbers and we have to put them together. The students did great. I would have liked to have a big Promethean board, because on the Origo site there's a lot of cool activities that you can do, and the students could do it virtually together, sitting as a group. But we are in a computer lab, so we do not have a big Promethean board that we can do that with. They do have their iPads, which they were able to use. It's called Numberline. It's an app, and Little Frog, where they hop to each place, and it's really cool. The kids really enjoyed it after they were done with their worksheet. Like I said, the use of technology, as a co-class, I would love to be able to do, but right now, not in my own classroom, I don't get to have that all the time, and that's okay. That's what I'm learning for. I didn't feel any behaviors that stuck out during the lesson. Just redirecting easily, of not even really having to say anything, just a nice little hand on the shoulder, or move of the chair to get students focused again. I would like to do this as a whole group sitting in with, if we had more time, to do it as sitting in a circle and we all get numerous dominoes and make them together. But in our allotted time slot and location, it's not always that easy. We have a smaller combined space, so we make do with what we can. The kids do great with it, and they did great on their worksheet, on the assessment that was given afterwards. I chose to assess them 2 times on this, because I like to see that, could they do it in whole group. When we were doing the dominoes together, I walked around and we did a couple together, and then they had to do it on their own. And then for the worksheet, I really wanted to see, yes, we'll do 1 or 2 together, but I wanted to see how they're doing, if I need to slow back the lesson, or if we can continue to move, because now that they're in the first grade math, it kind of jumps from place to place. We're doing number lines, and then the next lesson is starting to use measurements. And I wanted to make sure that they were fully ready to move on to start measurement before I put them into something that they're not ready for. So I really thought their lesson went great, and other than the technology thing, I really wouldn't change a whole lot about it. So have a good day.